Can you kick for Dad?
Hi.
Ooh. Does it feel nice? Love this kick machine? Happy feet.
Look at your chub chub. These are your big legs.
Yep. She can be a tap dancer. My darling, I will play.
Hi, Paige. Hi.
Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Like that. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Yay!
Speak to your doctor. This new network is so fast.
I know.
And the download speed.
I know.
How? Well, like you said, they'll run.
You fish, old fish, new fish. This one has a little star. This one has a little car. Say, what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red and some are blue. Some are old and some are new. Some are sad and some are glad. And some are very, very bad. Why are they sad and glad and bad? I do not know. Go ask your dad. Some are thin and some are fat. The fat one has a yellow hat. From there to here, from here to there. Funny things are everywhere. Here are some who like to run. They run for fun in the hot, hot sun. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my. What a lot of funny things go by. Some have 2 feet and some have 4. I found my feet. I found my feet.
Are you playing with your toes?
Hello, Peanut.
She likes doing this. Down and up. And down and up.
Canada versus USA. Yeah, not just hockey today. Women's curling right after this.
This broadcast has been produced by Canada's Olympic
What have you
Broadcast
got?
Media Consortium in association with the International Olympic Committee and may not be reproduced or retransmitted in any form without the express written consent of Canada's Olympic Broadcast Media Consortium.
Okay, Paige. Cirque du Soleil.
Ooh. You love it. How's the view from down there? Is it good? And bring her up. Ooh. You like that, eh? Good girl. Careful.
Symptom relief plus mucus relief in a liquid gel. Tylenol Cold plus mucus relief. Get back to normal, whatever your goal is.
Short night for Evgeny Nabokov. He allowed 6 goals on 23 shots. William Rizgal for the Phoenix Coyotes comes in. He won World Championship gold in 09. He played the World Junior in 2000. He's got a lot of international.
Itchy. Itchy. Cha cha cha. Cha cha. Did you find your toes?